Samahan niyo ako na pasukin ang dressed up ng Olivia Model House. Ako si Joanna Rose Berha at follow nyo ang Greatland.ph para sa iba pang quick house tour. Single detached ito at may lot area na 182 square meters at floor area na 156 square meters, 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, at 2 carports. 50,000 reservation fee, 195,000 monthly down payment for 6 months at 40,500 pesos ang monthly for 20 years pag-installment. Located ito sa Solana, Bacolor, Pampanga. Along Provincial Highway kaya naman accessible. May mga buses na dumadaan going Manila at nearby provinces. Marami na rin nakatira kaya may kamarites ka na. Open na rin ang Solana Plaza sa labas ng subdivision kung saan meron Robinsons Supermarket, banks, restaurants, coffee shop at marami pang iba. Maraming amenities gaya ng clubhouse, swimming pool, church, basketball court, parks and playground. Dito rin located ang Hardin Solana na pwede maging venue for big events. Reserve ka na baka next month iba na naman ang price neto.